I don't know if you guys ever heard of a dish called shine rice. You guys know what's that? Well, that's a Guyanese comfort food. So guys, these are the ingredients we will be using today. So this is a shine rice with rich meat.
Really good.
Yeah? Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, my amazing people. How are you guys doing? I trust and pray you guys are taking good care of yourselves and you guys are having a good time wherever you are. Well, guys, it's another beautiful Saturday afternoon here in Paramaribo Suriname. And guys, as usual, you know when I'm home, I love to cook. Or let's say we love to cook. So what's on the menu today? I don't know if you guys ever heard of a dish called shine rice. You guys know what's that? Well, that's a Guyanese comfort food. That's what I grew up eating, and until today, that's what my mom usually cooks, and that's a dish I love. It's delicious, guys. Shine rice is a simple dish. It's basically rice, coconut oil, coconut milk, and onion, replaced by shallot back in the old days. Those are the ingredients. That's it, guys. Basic. Rice, coconut oil, coconut milk, and onions or shallot. During the years, coming down to modern time, we found ways to modernize the shine rice, to make it luxurious. You can add shrimp, you can add salt fish, you can add meat to it. But like mom would say, that's not shine rice. It's more like a cook-up rice kind of a rice. Shine, when you hear the word shine, shine means it's just plain rice with coconut milk. There's nothing inside. That's what shine is. It's not because it's glittering because of the coconut oil or coconut milk. So today, guys, mom is going to prepare shine rice. I told her I haven't had this dish for a very, very, very long time, and I feel like eating shine rice. And mom, she cooks a very good shine rice. And Hannah is here too. As usual, when food is cooking, Hannah always finds her place
Hi,
here. There she is. And she's gonna learn to make fried rice with baked chicken and baked pork after this. So for now, we're gonna start the shine rice. Mom and Hannah prepared everything already. So guys, let's see how to make this simple dish that's called shine rice. It's a Guyanese dish, Guyanese comfort food. I don't know if it's also part of the Caribbean. I know about Guyana. So guys, let's get cooking and let's see how Granny prepares. So guys, these are the ingredients we will be using today. Of course, you have your basic rice. We have our seasoning, garlic, pepper, some thyme, onion, and we'll use pigtail to flavor the rice. And of course, coconut milk. Like I said, guys, original shine rice is basically rice with coconut milk, coconut oil, and onions. That's it. But I love it when it has pigtail inside. So we're making this a luxurious shine rice. Okay guys, so everything is ready. Mom is gonna start cooking now. The oil is already hot, so mom is putting in the garlic, pepper, thyme. And guys, for the 5 cups of rice, and we're using brown rice, parboiled rice. She has 20 cups of liquid, which includes 3 cans of coconut milk. This is what she measured the coconut milk with. So let's see how mom is making this improved on shine rice. Mom put in the onion, garlic, pepper, thyme. And this is the way she normally cooks the shine rice, which she don't think it's shine rice. She thinks it's a breed between cook-up rice and plain rice. Because like she said, the original shine rice, you don't put meat inside. It's just basically coconut milk with rice. So this is a shine rice with rich meat. Lots of pigtail and some other smoked pork. And guys, even if you don't want to put any meat inside, like you're cooking the plain shine rice with just coconut milk and rice, then what they usually do, they'll fry fish separately to go with it. But if you don't like it that way, you can put the meat. Some people put shrimp, some people use salt fish, and even people will use pigeon peas. So there are lots of different varieties of shine rice.
No.
But like mom says, the original shine rice it's always plain.
No peas.
Yeah, I mean that's original shine rice, right?
Rice
No,
don't have peas.
no peas. Oh, shine rice don't have peas. But this shine rice will have meat. Lots of meat. Look at Hannah's smile. That's a meat mouth, like her father. What are you thinking? All right. In goes the rice. For this recipe, she's using 5 cups of rice. 5 cups. Measuring cup. This cup. Yes, it's raining today. Yippee! Finally.
So this way?
Yeah, you can.
Not yet. Not yet.
No, they can.
Not yet.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Guys, let me make this clear. This is how I like the shine rice to be cooked. Okay, this is not the way it's cooked.
I hate when people
I love
do that.
what? What do you say? You hate what?
Nothing. No. I hate frogs.
Okay, she hates frogs. No, she was about to say she hates when people say this is what?
No, I see on TikTok when people make their videos, their cooking videos, and people are like, "But that's how you're supposed to make it. That's how you're supposed to make it." I'm like, "That's how they make it and how they like it." So,
Okay.
yeah, that's it.
Mom put some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Put the rest of the onions inside. Okay, so mom says the rice has to fry up. And we'll check it back in a bit. How long? 5 minutes. We'll check it back. It's time for the coconut milk. What? One of Granny's specialty.
That's it, Greg.
Granny is shy. Okay guys, we're checking the shine rice. Wow, it's glittering. It's showing shine. Anna, it looks yummy.
It does. You guys don't put any blacks or anything. Right?
No, that's why it's called shine rice, right?
Yeah.
You don't have any black story, nothing. It has to be white.
You want to taste it for yourself? Okay.
Okay, guys, it's coming together. I just tasted it for salt. Oh, you guys don't know what you're missing. Hey Dan, look in the pot. Madame Jeanette. Just for you, my friend. Beautiful. Delicious. Okay, still have like about 10 minutes more. Yeah, I know what you're saying. It's gonna be.
I thought it was gonna be a funny day thing. With my clothes.
Granny is sweating. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at Hannah's expression on her face.
That looks good.
Oh, that pepper is already soft? Yeah. It looks like it's gonna mash up inside. Now that's a shine rice. Mama's checking to see if the rice, if it's cooked already.
Nice,
Cook?
nice.
But then when it turns off, it'll cook on its own heat, right? Oh, you burn your hand again. Looking good, eh, Hannah?
Yep.
You remember how to cook this?
I will, yeah. A little bit. It's easy.
All right.
Just
How much
cook
cup?
it
How much cup of liquid to 5 cup of brown rice?
20.
Oh wow, she remember. Even though she's left-handed, she remember.
That has nothing to do with remembering.
Oh, you can garnish it?
Yeah.
When it's finished,
It's finished. No, it's not finished.
you gotta dry down some more. Let's check see if it's soft. By the way, guys, Mommy used parboiled rice. Okay. Let me see. No, I just want to taste one. I want to check one.
What's the difference between the parboiled and the normal rice?
You got a little bit green. A little bit, not much.
What?
Tastes good though.
What's the difference? Is it healthier one?
Parboiled rice is much healthier than white rice.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is it. That's the end product. I think it's finished.
Or should I call Alan? Let me call Alan.
Dapat yan, paper.
Okay, Mom is gonna add the garnish to it, which is also upgraded. Granny put the celery and some shallot. Well, green onions. No, this is not shallot. This is green onions. Nice,
Wait, let
nice.
me take a picture.
There you have it, my friends. Shiny rice, Granny style.
Wait, don't remove in the garnish. No.
Guys, by the way, this is Hannah's first time trying Guyana's comfort food, shine rice. Very first time, right, Hannah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really good.
Yeah, you like it?
It's so good. Love it. Yep.
Well, guys, this is not my first time eating Guyana's comfort food or shine rice. I've had this many times before, and I know how it tastes already. And as usual, Granny pass.
Yep.
And a 9.
Pass with a what? A big 10, a big fat
Good,
10.
guys. And you add some achar to this. Oh.
Yep.
It's complete.
Right in the corner.
Oh,
Or
have a
you can
charger.
also have it with lime pepper.
Good, guys.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a thumbs up. Big thumbs up.
Well, guys, there you have it. As usual, that shine rice was the bomb. I know how my mom's shine rice tastes. I've ate it all my life. So, guys, you can try this at home. It's very simple. But like I said, the original shine rice is shine. Nothing inside. But during the years, until the present now, it's been upgraded to pigtail, salt beef, chicken wings, chicken feet, shrimp, saltfish, peas. Yeah, like Hannah said. Like Hannah's saying now, that's like cook up, which is true. But it still has a whole bunch of coconut milk inside, and that's what makes it shine. Okay, guys, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and for sure I'll catch you guys in the other video. Bye for now, guys. Take care.
Bye, guys. It's so good. Oh, yeah. Even better.
Even better.
Yeah, right?
You want to say bye to the fans?
Bye.
Bye, guys.